Nothing enjoys a forest fire. They're dirty, they're dangerous, and they pose serious risk to life, property, large swaths of forests. And although they've been part of the Earth's carbon cycle for 420 million years, they do have their challenges. This is a map generated by NASA showing active fires. You could pull it up for any given day. This is actually October 11th, and you can see that cumulatively these fires cover pretty large swaths of terrestrial space. If you add all of those up together, and these fires generate a lot of smoke, and this smoke has its way of traveling large distances through the atmosphere. You can see here, this is a pretty big one. This is the Yosemite Rim fire, generating a fairly impressive plume. This is Santa Rosa, again, a very impressive plume. Now, because we take fires seriously, we put them out. But we have to realize that there's a growing fire and it rages under our feet every day, and it looks like this. This is a traffic map, actually. This is a map demonstrating where transportation is reaching capacity, a fancy word for traffic. And similar to how emissions from forest fires enter global jet streams and travel across the planet, so do the emissions from these highly urbanized areas. You can see this in a NASA video. This is a model generated by NASA. You can see all of these hotspots, these dark red zones are places of high emission activity. California is the country's second largest emitter, next to Texas, second to Texas. And transportation is actually the largest part of its emissions portfolio, accounting for about 33%, 33 to 36% of all emissions. Now, we might think that these emissions are pretty serious, and they are. However, human-caused emissions are the source of 97% of total emissions in the United States, whereas forest fires are only 3%. So we can put these fires out by switching to environmentally friendly transportation habits, combined with carbon drawdown created through offset investments. We can put these urban fires down in size and scope and reduce their detriments as well.